What color did we create?
Purple.
What did you find? Okay, come and show me. What color did we make here? So if you look carefully with the magnifying glass, so bring it close over here. Let's see, very good. I'm noticing, what are you noticing? I'm noticing some purple, different shades of purple, and I even see a little bit of blue. So I'm gonna give you some more berries. Exactly, you can scoop them. I don't have to do it for you. You can scoop them like that. I'll give you some more berries over here too. These berries are not very fresh, which is why we're using them for our color experiment. So they're not for tasting today. They won't harm you, but they are for an experiment. So look, you can roll it, or maybe you can use one side to crush it. What are you working on here? What are these? Blackberries. We're making our very own dye and our very own paint. So now you're transferring all the berries. Let's see how many we have so far. 1, 2, 3 blackberries. How many more can we add?
2.
4, 5. Okay, let's look at them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, you're painting with it.
Wow.
Let's see all the different colors that you're going to get from the berries.
Wow, what is that, Kai? What's this painting called?